Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So tonight we have got part 2 of my rolling declutter for 2019. So I have actually filmed this already and I've just edited it, and I was about to upload it, and you know what, it was 43 minutes long, and I just thought, with the best will in the world, I just cannot subject you to that long of me just going through lipsticks. And I realised that I was just like swatching every single lipstick and pencil, and there was no need for that. So I have actually got everything that I've decluttered on the side. So what I'm going to do instead, I am going to just talk you really quickly through the drawers, what I've got in there and things, and what my plans are for that. And then what was going to be part 3, again, I'll just run through the drawers that I've got left to do, and we'll just have a quick glance through so we're all up to date. And it'll just save us half an hour of our lives. So, I've already filmed part 1. I've explained a bit about what I'm wanting to do and what my version of a declutter is for this year. So yeah, basically in a nutshell, I just want to try and get the best use out of my makeup collection. I want to sort of pull out things that are in there that I've forgotten about, try them out and make a really informed decision about whether it's something that I like, whether it suits me, whether it works for me, or if I just need to pass it on, gift it, or just ditch it, you know, just bin it. So I'll show you what we've got, and then I'm going to be planning on doing every month a bit of a shop my stash. I'm going to pull everything in, you know, have a look, see what I'm going to introduce for this month, and work with those products for a month. At the end of the month, decide if I'm keeping or throwing away. Been heavily influenced for this. Came across soon to be Wilson, so Mercedes channel. So if you know her already, then you need no introduction. Otherwise, I'll pop a link down below. She's doing a very similar thing to me, or I'm doing a very similar thing to her. Sort of both on the same wavelength with where we want to go with our makeup collections for, you know, from now on, and looking at what we've got, trying not to really put anything else into it unnecessarily, but still keep our beauty boxes and things like that. So yeah, do pop over to her, and I'm really appreciative. She's been extremely supportive of my declutter so far, so thank you, Mercedes. I really appreciate it. I'm counting on you to help keep me online this year and keep me on track, and yeah, I can do this. So I'm just going to turn you around. I'm just going to do it handheld, and we'll just talk really, really briefly what we've got, and then through there. Thank you to everyone so far for my part 1 comments and support. You're absolutely awesome. I'm really, really lucky to have all you guys following me and supporting my channel, so thank you. I really appreciate it. So let's have a look and see what I've chosen. Okay, so here's my micellar water and wipes. I have absolutely covered in swatches. So these are the things that I am going to be getting rid of. Yeah, I've got some like lip balms and things which I've just turned and they're no longer nice, they're just disgusting. Got quite a few glosses that have been in here like for years, and I've either half finished, are really gloopy, or I just don't want. A few liquid lips that are just extremely, just the wrong shade for me, just very, very light. This, I have got no idea why I ever bought this, and it looks more like a concealer, but it's actually a lipstick. It's vile. This was empty. This is about 10 years old. This is very strange pink from, well, I don't know, probably the 90s. And yeah, just a few things that I no longer want, or that I've got duplicates. These are duplicates. So I'll be gifting these for definite. They're both the same shade. Plus I have another mini. So yeah, lots and lots of things there. So I think I've done pretty well for me. So as you know, I've already gone through a lot of my drawers already in part 1. So we're actually down to the lip drawer. So in here, this is what I've got left. So I have got the retro Lux Vault. So this has got 10 lip kits in. Oh, I can get this out. So it's basically, let me just see, hang on. Yeah, so basically we have got in here, it's a lovely set. We've got lip kits, which are the pencils and either liquid lips, lip glosses or metallic lips, and there's 2 drawers of those. There's 10 of them. I will be rotating them in. I want to try them, see if I like them or if I don't. Few reds here. I'm not really a red person, but I'm going to give it a go. A couple that are like a balmy type, which are quite nice, and then varying different shades of red. So I just want to try the different formulas, see what I like, what I don't, and just I want to just get down to a couple of reds really, because I don't wear them. In here I've got some balms. So I've got a few of like the Maybelline baby lips. So just to try those, it'll be ideal for work and holidays. If I don't like the shades, I'm just going to get rid of them. Like a little lip plumper thing and things. So yeah, so a couple of balms there. I've got loads of balms in my work bag as well, so you'll end up maybe seeing these things, but they've not been new purchases, they're just things I've already got in other bags. These are all like pencils and crayons. I do have others. Obviously I've got 10 pencils in there. I've got a load of sleek ones in here from a sleek advent calendar from 2017, plus other ones. I've had some beauty boxes and things. So I am going to try and get into the habit of using lip liners, and either sort of using them under lipsticks, or just, you know, as they're intended for lining my lips, just to see if that makes a difference, if I like it, what shades I like, what I don't. Matte lipsticks. So again, I've got a load in my kit, plus some here. So it's only just recently I've started now to wear mattes, and that's when I got the Huda Beauty one from the glossy box, which was kindly gifted to me by a subscriber, which was extremely kind, since Glossy totally messed up my glossy box and didn't send me it, but that's a long story that I'm over with. So yeah, I'm going to try these, see which formulas I like. If I don't like them, I'm going to try them with a gloss on top. If I don't like them like that, they are going. So down here it's just a mixture of different sort of like browns and nudes. I've got like sort of like orangey nudes, mauvey nudes and things like that. Other lipsticks as well and things in here. There's quite a few like these, which are more like your balm type lipsticks. I've got a good choice of colours. A couple of little lip palettes. I only intend on keeping one. I want to see which one I want to keep. Some lip plumpers. Again, I'm going to try these. I might do separate videos on them, seeing what they're like. Glosses and things here. And yeah, so that is where I'm up to. I haven't decluttered my nail polishes yet. I will consider doing that, but I don't feel the need to do it at the moment, although there are a lot there. I'll probably go through, and any that look a bit old and tatty we'll get rid of. Don't wear a lot of nail polishes on my nails and my hands, just due to work. However, I do like wearing polish on my toenails. So this is better. We're at 5 minutes. Let's whiz round and have a look at the other side. Right, so this is kind of where I tend to get ready in the morning and things, if I'm going out. So this is just like my little desk that I've got here. I've got a few things here that are just sort of spillovers and things like that. So nothing, I don't think there's any makeup items in there. It's more skincare and hand creams. So coming up here, again, so I've got some pencils here, which I got from my Revolution lip advent calendar. So these are all brand new. I've not tried them yet, so I need to try them. I'll be putting all of this down into my drawer when I start my Shop My Stash and my rolling declutter for February. So when I make my selections, this will be getting emptied out and I'll get my choices put in here. I've also got the lipsticks from my Revolution calendar, as well as the Dior one, which I just got from my Look Incredible Deluxe box. So all these I'll be keeping, they won't be getting decluttered. Coming over here, so I've got a lot of liquid lipsticks, glosses and some metallics, again from my Revolution advent calendar, and a couple of the Incredible lipsticks, which are here, and they're really nice actually, so I'll be keeping them. This is just spare skincare, like primer, no sorry, not primers, what's like serums, moisturizers, day creams, night creams, that type of thing. So that's just spillovers from there, which we can declutter my skincare another day. I'm not too concerned about that because I do really use it. So then I've got a drawer here which I have quite a few bits. So looking here, there's just some hand cream, there's nothing there, it's just a few bits and pieces. I have a few primers in here, which again I'll be keeping these, and these will get put into there. And when I sort out my things for February, they'll be going out and I'll be choosing what I'm keeping. In here got a couple of liners, brows, a few mascaras that I'm using, and a lash primer. In this one, what have we got here? Eye creams, lip balms, eye rollers and a neck cream. And in here I've got a like a little single eyeshadow that I use regularly for work. Little highlight, couple of highlighters, couple of blushers. So yeah, they'll be going into my other drawer and getting moved out. Just some of my everyday skincare, like my AHA and BHA liquids, some serums, that should be over there, that's a primer. Yes, there's a couple of serums, some more eye cream and things like that. So again, that'll get moved out and I'll be working my way through those. Just my makeup remover. What have I got? My brow, my Gimme Brow, moisturiser that I'm using just now. Some more foundations here, so I need to move these out and just concentrate on a couple at a time, but I am literally just using this all the time. I absolutely love it. A lot of the movers are either too light or too dark, but it's getting to the changing seasons. Let me get this other little box out, because this is where I've got a lot of like spillover in here. Right, let me get this out quickly. Let me turn this light on, see if that makes a difference. There we go. That's a bit of glare. Right, so I've just got my foundation brush and a sponge. So there's just another little lip balm, a tinted balm. This is a hair product, maybe. Hourglass, not used that yet. I need to still use it. So I've got quite a lot of lip products here. I am a lip product hoarder. So I've got a couple of palettes, like the Style London and the Laura Geller palette, which I love. Really loving this. Got this last week. It's a brown eyeliner, Gucci eyeliner, and it is so nice for me. It suits me on my lower lash line. It's really, really pretty. Like literally, how many lips do I need in my everyday makeup? I think a lot of these come out of my handbags from when I've been on nights out, and they just end up dumped in here. Look at all these lip products. Oh my god, I've just got this. It's a Bobbi Brown. I got it. Oh no, it's not. That's a lie. This is my Bobbi Brown. This is beautiful. I love it. I'm really going to focus on this next month. And that's a Makeup Forever, which is also nice. Both mauvey nudes. This is so cool. I'm going to do a video on it. It's the Winky Looks. It's great. Another lipstick. These roller powders and the Diamond Dust Manica Dart is just amazing. Another mascara. That was out of one of our boxes. Oh god. Pencils, some brow pencils, lip pencils, eye pencils. So all this needs to get sorted out into the other thing, but I am not throwing any of this out. That's the main point I'm wanting to make. This is all staying in my collection for now. Got a lash serum, which I keep forgetting to use. I need to move that out of there. Mellow liquid liner. Well, it's a pen liner. This is outstanding. It's so precise. It is incredible. Another Bad Gal Bang mascara. Oh, love this. Asia, Rimmel Asia is amazing, beautiful mauvey nude, and a Scandalise. So yeah, that's where we are. Let me turn you around and I shall talk to you again. Right then, so sorry for the high speed run through, but I just figured it's better to do that as quickly as possible. Then we're all up to date with the makeup I've got. And who wants to sit like 45 minutes just looking through someone's makeup whilst they swatch things? It can be a bit boring. So we're ready to go. I'm feeling like let's get this sorted. Let's finally get my makeup like just properly selected for things that I like and that I love, that are going to work for me, that's going to suit me and that. So if you do want to see a skincare declutter, or like just go through like my skincare inventory, it might help me sort all this out, which is just all up here, and I've got bits all over, so we can have a little look through and see what I've got there. We can look at all my face masks and things like that as well, if that's something you want. So if it is, let me know down below. So yeah, thank you for watching. Tune in a few days when we will be making my February selections for the month. I can't wait to try it. I feel really, really excited now, and it's going to make me try different colours, and I just may discover something completely new, because I just feel like I am really in a rut with my makeup. I've got all this stuff over here in my drawers, and yet I just use pretty much what was fitting in this little box, which is just crazy. And I think it's partly because it's convenience. So I think it's pretty much what's under my nose is what I will use. So yeah, I just want to get it rolling over, just keep changing it up, freshen it up, change with the seasons, you know, and get some fun looks and things like that. Maybe do a few, go through my palettes. So when I introduce them, I might do some separate videos for them, looking at each individual makeup, each individual eyeshadow palette, can swatch them, do a look with them. So if that's something that you're interested in, let me know. Because then what I can maybe do through the month I'm getting ready, I can just do a few little looks as I'm getting ready using the palettes, and then we can like look at that palette in its own video in its own right. So yeah, it's just a few ideas I've got just for the year, because I don't want to spend too much money other than my boxes. And I'm not going to be buying things just to make videos for you. My videos I'm going to be sharing with you are what I own. So I'm really looking forward to it. I think let's just bring a new sort of, just keep it interesting and see what you've already got in your collection, because chances are we've got very, very similar things. I'm very much a budget girl. I don't buy high-end makeup. I just don't. I never have. So anything that I have that is high end, I've either got from advent calendars or beauty boxes. It's not something that I would actually go out and purchase for myself. So yeah, just saying. Breathe. I talk really fast, but I'm really excited. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Mercedes for inspiring me and continuing to inspire me and support me. And see you all later. Have a lovely evening. Please like this video if you've enjoyed it, if it's something that you're enjoying watching. Do leave me a comment. Let me know if you are doing a declutter, a low buy, a no buy. Just trying to rotate your stash and just use up what you've got, what your favourite products are that you're loving. Have you got anything that's like really old? What's the oldest item of makeup that you own? I dread to think how old some of my makeup is. And I will see you all very soon. And we're nearly back up at Beauty Box unboxing time. They're coming out very, very soon. So make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you know when I'm uploading next. So I shall see you all very, very soon. Take care. Love you all. Night night.